Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Lucknow location. It is from Uttar Pradesh. Let us discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening for academic assistant or academic associate position. It is from Indian Institute of Management for Lucknow location. So, salary will be ranging between 15,000 to 29,500 rupees per month, and only 2 vacancies are available for this post. So they are looking for experienced candidates that will be 3 to 5 years of experience is required, and education qualification will be CA, MCom, MBA or PGDM, and last date for application procedure is 4th June 2021. So you can also check here with the application process and also selection procedure. And for more detailed information and the clear detailed information about this job opening, you can visit on the official website link provided here, and I'm going to provide the website link in the description for your reference, so you can have a look on that once. One, there is a job opening for program manager position. It is from IIM Lucknow. So only 1 vacancy is available for this position. Salary will be ranging between 65k to 75k per month, and experience will be 5 to 7 years, and any postgraduate candidates are eligible to apply for this position, and last date for application process is 25th May 2021. So for more detailed information about this job opening, you can visit on the official website link. It will be available in the description, so you can have a look on that once. Next one, there is a job opening for RME coordinator position. It is from ASSPL Uttar Pradesh for Lucknow location. So you should be having diploma or degree holder in electrical or mechanical or electronics and communication or instrumentation, and also controls with 3 years of experience is required. And you need to taking care of overall facility and admin activities, and daily, weekly, monthly technical check per PPM schedule, and you need to attend the TT calls for corrective maintenance and service and repair works, and coordinate with vendor for systems under warranty or AMC, and energy consumption reading is required, and DC maintenance, and also you need to maintain and troubleshoot all conveyor systems and electrical and mechanical, and ability to install, maintain and troubleshoot power distribution systems, branch circuits, lighting systems and transformers, wiring methods and material, and ability to install, maintain and troubleshoot relay logic and ladder diagrams, control components, photo eyes, motor start, relays and limit switches, and proximity sensors, timers and solenoids, servo drives and others. So please check with all the details provided here, and for more detailed information you can visit on the official website link. It will be available in the description, so you can have a look on that once. Next one, there is a job opening for process assistant position. It is from ASSPL for Lucknow location. So you should be having bachelor's degree with minimum 1 to 5 years of experience is required in operations, and also experience of warehouse experience is preferable, and outstanding interpersonal and coaching skills are required, and command over English language is a must. So these are the requirements. And coming to job deliverables, daily management of shift, administrative management of associates and job allocation to associates, monitoring and mentoring of associates and productivity, quality and safety, and monitor status of counts and problem solve queries, queues, and you need to responsible for shift quality and associated action plans, and also preparing and implementing training and development plans for associates, and conduct a 4M and 5S audit for the respective workstations on a daily basis, and stand in for area manager. So these are the job deliverables, and for more detailed information about this job opening, you can visit on the official website link. It will be available in the description, so you can have a look on the description once. Next one, there is a job opening for HR Ops admin. It is from ASSPL for Lucknow location, Uttar Pradesh. So coming to job description, you need to maintain accurate headcount and other HR reports, engage with employees to ensure higher morale and productivity, proactive sensing of ER issues, grievance handling, HRIS and payroll, coordination with the recruitment and ERC team, statutory compliances and ensuring contractors or agency HC and compliances, and graduate in any discipline, preferably from recognized university, and giving preference to background work experience in HR of having worked with a large warehouse or logistics or manufacturing companies, and also excellent communication and negotiation skills are required. High presentation, reporting, and team player skills are required. Excellent knowledge of Excel and Word and PowerPoint, and overall experience is 2 to 3 years of experience is required to apply for this HR ops admin position. So in order to apply for this position, or else if you want to know other detailed information, you can have a look on the description for the website link. So our website link is available on the description, so you can have a look. Next one, there is a job opening for lab attendant position. It is from SGP ZIMS. So it is for Lucknow location. Only one vacancy is available for this post, and salary will be 12,000 rupees per month. 7 to 1 year of fresher candidates are eligible to apply for this position, and education qualification will be 10th standard, and last date for application procedure is 17th May 2021. So you can also check here with application procedure and also selection procedure, and for more detailed information about this job opening, you can visit on the official website link. It will be available in the description, so you can have a look on that once. One, there is a job opening for secretarial assistant position from SGPG IMS. So it is for Lucknow location. Only one vacancy is available for this post, and salary will be 10,000 rupees per month. So 4 to 6 years of experience is required for this position, and education qualification will be any graduate, and last date for application process is 17th May 2021. And for more detailed information about application procedure and selection procedure and clear detailed information, you can visit on the official website link. It will be available in the description in the video, so you can have a look on that once. Next one, there is a job opening for clinical research coordinator position from SGPG IMS. So it is for Lucknow location, and only one vacancy is available for this post, and salary will be 35,000 rupees per month. 8 to 12 years of experience is required, and education qualification will be MSc. Last date for application procedure is 15th May 2021. So if you see here, email ID is provided here. So you need to send your biodata details and other details to the provided mail ID. It is on or before 15th May 2021. So date of interview will be 20 May 2021. So you can check with all the details provided here. So the email ID is ikalita@sgpui.ac.in. Next one, there is a job opening for pharmacy admin position. It is from High Glance Pharmacy for Lucknow location. So it is for both male and female candidates, and location will be Lucknow or Greater Noida. And coming to job description, the candidate should have a sound knowledge of pharmacy retail chain, that is RX understanding, billing, inventory, and willing to work in flexible hours. And coming to desired candidate profile, the incumbent should be B Pharma or M Pharma or MBA, and the candidate should be having sound knowledge of computer, that is MS Word, Excel, and email, etc., and good communication skills are desirable. So for above 5 years of experience is required to apply for this position, and worked as a senior level executive with a reputed pharmacy chain. So these are the work details. So please go through with the information provided here, and for more detailed information about this job opening, you can visit on the official website link available in the description, so you can have a look on the description once. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members, and also subscribe the channel for more updated videos, and also please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.